All right, good morning. It's time for the big breakfast. So I don't have pound cake today, so I'm just having 3 jumbo sausages again and 10 eggs. Going into the frying pan right now. I feel like filming and editing these videos, putting them on YouTube is like a full-time job. I pay about $10 for 30 eggs. I'm gonna go grocery store today, buy 3 packs. So I'm really making these daily breakfast videos for me. Because once you watch it one time, you don't really need to continuously watch it. I just want everything logged along with my net diary. Because I don't want to just say, yeah, I had a big breakfast, and then I show it to you on my net diary. I want to actually prove it to you guys. So every day for the next 8 months, you'll see 10 eggs. Unless I can find an alternative to breakfast that is going to give me a high calorie count. I'll see what I could come up with. Okay. Eggs complete. Let's get these hot dogs. I fry my hot dogs because I'm not a fan of boiling them. I think boiled hot dogs taste disgusting. If I had a grill, whew, I'd be grilling these bad boys. All right. Can't wait to eat. I should get an air fryer. That's what I need. So I don't gotta fry them. Straight into the air fryer. They say the greasy food not too good for you. I know I shouldn't be talking because my dinners for the past week have been takeout, fast food. So I'm trying to change that. All right. So the breakfast, there's no pound cake today, but eggs and sausage. Complete. See you in the next video.